if you've got day-old bread or stale bread, not moldy, stale bread, day-old bread, let's make some homemade croutons. Croutons is probably my favorite part of a salad. So to this, we're gonna add some olive oil, some garlic, black garlic salt. I'm gonna try this for the first time on this. It smells great, it tastes great. So I'm curious to see how it works out with the croutons. All right, so I'm gonna get them in the sheet pan, throw them in a 400-degree oven for about 15, 20 minutes. So let's check it out. Okay, so start with the olive oil. Let's drizzle that in there, like so. Let's get that black garlic sea salt. Look how pretty that is. I tell you, it smells fantastic. You can get this at any grocery store, I'm sure. I got this at the World Market store that we have here in town. So like I said, I'm curious to see how it works out with this. Stir this in. Get all the bread incorporated with that olive oil and of course the seasoning. If you need to put a little bit more olive oil, feel free. I think I got pretty much enough olive oil on there. I think that's gonna be good. Okay. Now, let's throw them onto the sheet pan like so. Spread it out, give it some room. If it's overly crowded, maybe use 2 sheet pans because you do want them to crust up. So I think that's what I'm gonna end up doing. Get in there. Is using 2 sheet pans. All right, let me get another sheet pan and we'll continue the process. All right, got my second sheet pan here and let's get it going. Like so, spread it out. Let's get some more in here from over here. All right, got 2 of the sheet pans now. So now I'm gonna throw them in the oven for about 15, 20 minutes. See you back in 15. And voila, it's been 15 minutes. Not for you, but it has for me. Otherwise, this would be a long video. They're ready. I'm gonna pull them out of the oven. I hope they turned out great. Let's check it out. Oh, I think they did. I think that did good. Oh yeah. Take a closer look. All right, look at that. Check out the crispiness, the color. That's good. That's what you want. That nice golden brown color. It smells so good. I wish you could smell it. I love that smell. All right, I'm gonna try the pumpernickel first because I love pumpernickel croutons. So I'm gonna try that one. You hear that crunch? Oh, it tastes so good. It's kind of sweet too. Remember, I used that World Market black garlic salt. That is good stuff. I love that pumpernickel. We'll try sourdough next. Molto bueno. That's good. I'm gonna let these cool down, make a salad out of them. So there you go. Homemade croutons using day-old bread that you probably have. Very simple. Saw what I did. Olive oil, the World Market black garlic salt. Toss it up, put in the sheet pan, oven, 400 degrees, 15 minutes exactly. Nice, toasty, delicious croutons you have here. So very simple. You can do this. You can make it at home. I just showed you how. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Come back for some more. Until then, take care.